Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce without cream. Start by melting butter in a skillet and gently heating whole milk until warm. Whisk a cornstarch slurry into the milk to thicken slowly and smoothly. Add grated Parmesan a little at a time while whisking for a glossy sauce. Season with salt and black pepper and finish with a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavors. I explain simple flavor boosts that make a creamless Alfredo sing. Gently sauté garlic in butter until aromatic but not browned, then fold into the sauce. A small pinch of nutmeg adds warmth and depth without overwhelming the Parmesan. Brighten the finished sauce with a splash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of white wine for contrast. Taste and adjust salt and pepper to spotlight each ingredient naturally. Next, I cover texture tips to keep your sauce silky and smooth. Remove the pan from direct heat before adding Parmesan, then stir gently to prevent grainy curds. If the sauce tightens, whisk in a few tablespoons of starchy pasta water to achieve the perfect coating consistency. Keep the sauce warm on very low heat while tossing with pasta, and serve immediately for the best mouthfeel and shine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.